channel. Guess what we got today, guys, for you? We got the LG Wing, and we're about to unbox this bad boy, and the video is about to start now. Alright guys, thank you for tuning into the channel. Here we got another unboxing. This is the LG Wing. It comes with a Snapdragon 765 5G processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, with a 400 or 4000, milliamp battery with wireless charging. And of course, like, this is a 5G phone, so it does CDMA, which is like 1x 3G, does LTE, and it does 5G. And I will put the bands in the description somewhere up in the corner or something, but I'll just go run down on the 5G bands, which is N2, N5, N66 for sub 6, and then it's going to do N260, N261 for millimeter wave. It has a 64 megapixel OIS PDAF main shooter with a 13 and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens for the second and third lens, and it's a 32 megapixel front. Has a 6.8 inch OLED screen, and then when it rotates to a 90-degree angle, it will reveal a 3.9 inch second OLED display. It is splash and dust IP54 rating resistant with a military grade A10 certified. And that's enough with the tech stuff, guys. We're gonna crack this bad boy open. We're gonna see what this thing's all about. Okay, we got the LG pamphlet. Says here, second year promise guarantee. You gotta register within 90 days of purchase. No deductible, no premium, no shipping charges. Wow, so they're actually giving you a promise on the quality of the manufacturing of this phone. Okay, here's the LG. Ooh, nice. The camera hump is not that bad. The camera hump is not that bad compared to other flagships. So let's put that aside real quick. Then we got the pamphlet, SIM card tray, or SIM card removal tool. We can say that's sell cheapy a little bit. Then we got the pamphlets of the phone, Verizon, consumer thing, product safety. Of course, you know, the weird stuff. We got a brick. This is, let's see here. It says here it is a 25 watt USB-C to C. So that's a nice touch, LG, on the USB-C to C cable, which is, you know, ultimately nice, and it's nice and thick. So we'll put that aside. See what else is in here. Oh wow, guys, we have a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack dongle included. Nice work, LG, on that one. All right, let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's get this phone booted up. I'll get it set up, do a little time lapse real quick, and we'll be right back. Look at that, guys. Wow. The LG Wing, aka the chicken wing, as I'm calling it. The chicken wing, dude. Wow, that is freaking amazing. So it's actually the rotation on it. I don't know if you guys can hear that on the video. It's pretty smooth. No rubbing on rubbing compound. So let's do a quick little speed test. I know you guys, that's like a must. We are on LTE. I mean, this is a 5G phone, so okay, 16 ping 2 jitter. We're looking at 102 on the down. $7.43 on the upload. I'll grab this phone here real quick out of this gimbal. Guys, let's check out this camera. From what I hear, it's supposed to be a crazy one. Holy crap, guys, it has a gimbal mode. Look at this. So, damn it. So you can up, down, left, right. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This gimbal feature, this is amazing. And from what I was reading earlier, is you push the FPV mode, and this mode is basically to where, let's say if I point it at you and I push FPV, then it'll start following you. The gimbal will actually start moving, you know, automatically, and it'll follow you, which is a really nice feature. And then of course, you know, it has this time lapse. Sorry about that. We're just gonna have all this. Has this time lapse with the zoom. Then it has its slow-mo. Oh wow, it has dual recording, and the front camera is a pop-up camera, guys. Oh wow, so when it does dual recording, it does it in 1920 by 1080p. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. And then you can set it here. That makes it 1080 by 1080 all across. Guys, like this is a really good content creator phone. Like for people like us that do YouTube, you know, videos and stuff like that, this is actually a really great phone to have. I would recommend it for content creation. Now let's see here. Let's open up a YouTube app. So you do that, you can probably respond to a text message here, you know, which is nice. It's actually a really nice feature. So we're not gonna update right now. We just need to play. We're gonna play some. Is this copyright? Let's see here. We'll actually play something from the channel real quick. Let's turn up the volume. That's all the way up right there. LG, it has the speaker up here, guys? And then down below.
Verizon Wireless, here we are, right across the street from the UNLV College, University
of it does Las Vegas. Pretty cool. So you can multitask and still do your stuff.
Wave.
So let's see what's the highest quality on video.
We're gonna do a quick
so you can do the 1080 60 frames, because that's how I usually set up my videos. Nice. Okay.
And of course, when I am on camera, it decides to tank.
And you still get your little side window view, which is nice. Actually, this phone, guys, is not that bad. I'm not gonna make the video too long, but I'll include some pictures at the end of the video. But the thickness on the camera bump is really not bad at all. Not like the Samsungs that we've been seeing throughout the year. Your USB port, there's your antenna modules right there, and you got one right there. Basically, these are the antenna modules. It's pretty, the antenna module is actually pretty much on point. This has also expandable memory, up to 2 terabytes, they say. So this is the LG Wing, aka chicken wing. My impressions on this phone, my first impressions are actually amazing. I can't wait to try this this gimbal mode. This gimbal mode actually has my eyes you know, has me amazed. It has a night view, the panorama, the manual camera, manual video, slow-mo, YouTube live, CineShot, 360 panorama, the AR stickers like LG always does. So that's always a good thing. Does it have the LG sound? LG 3D, connect an audio device. Oh, so now they make you connect an audio device. So let's see here, sound. Where is this LG app notes? Here it is. Oh, so it's on. So it does have that. It doesn't have it through Dolby. I guess it's through LG now, through their own, which is still pretty cool. LG was always known for good sound and good quality video content making. So, all right, guys, I will include in, like I said, at the end of the video, I'll include some stuff. If you like this video, could you please like and share to all your favorite social medias? If you've been lurking, you know, around the channel, you might as well hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. In the description down below, there will also be to my Twitter, where we do a lot of Periscope lives. We also have the Instagram, Facebook, and we also have links to small and occasional monetary donations to the channel to be able to do stuff like this, unbox phones, you know, and all that stuff. And stay tuned, guys, for the iPhone 12 Pro. I did buy several phones, and we are going to do a teardown on it to see the modem of this new iPhone, to put an end to these myths of either it's an X55 or an X60. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, this is 4K 60 frames a second. This is the gimbal right here. Hold on, let me put it back on the rig. There you go. Has a tilt mode. Up, down, and it's smooth just like a gimbal. Left, right. Let's see if we can get it up here where these birds are. Smooth camera transition. This is the LG Wing Chicken Wing.